Hello and welcome to a lawnmower video. I'd just like to stress the importance of cleaning your lawnmower after you're done mowing. This is a Husqvarna R52S from 2012, so it's not really that old. It runs very nicely, but the grass was stuck on in a very thick layer. So I was servicing it for a friend, and unfortunately I don't think this base will last that long. Maybe 1 or 2 years. So, because you just grab a screwdriver or even just your fingernail, and the base just falls to pieces. There we go. It's all rusted away because the grass traps the moisture and that causes it to rust. So here's the rest of their base, and it's so far gone it's not much a chance of rescuing it, so cleaning it all up and then repainting it, because if you, by the time you clean everything up, you probably left very thin sheets or even holes. So the best thing is just to use it, clean it out every single time after use, and then once it starts holes, either a new base, or because it's rusted all the way around, or quite evenly, even welding, you'll probably blow a hole into it. So unfortunately that's the end of that base, because this is a friend's mower, and over here is mine. I was an R52S, but this one is from 2008, and although it's sun bleached and damaged by UV, the base is actually in great shape because it's being cleaned out regularly. You can see the wheels at the back are very worn. It is a self-propelled model. It's seen better days, but in terms of rust, very little. And though that one is older than this one. So, just a reminder to clean your lawnmower after use, especially if you have a steel base. If you got an alloy base, not as critical. So, even here at the top, like this, it doesn't look that bad. There's not really that many rust spots. You can see there's some rust here. And this is quite, this color rust is quite serious. Underneath this paint you can see all the rust bubbling. You can see the rust in here, especially over under the drive cover. You can see that lovely patina of rust. There's not really much hope anymore for this base. So the amount of rusty bases and mowers I see for sale, it's unbelievable. It may also be that the older model, they used better, stronger steel compared to the newer model. I don't know. But in any case, take care of your mower and it should last at least 10-15 years. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.